This edition of the Ridley Report is brought to you by nhliberty.org.
Mark Edgington from Free Talk Live is reporting that a New Hampshire legislative committee has temporarily shut down public comment regarding the proposed seatbelt law. The Ways and Means Committee apparently ended its hearing after just 4 people had had a chance to speak. Over a dozen others had driven through a snowstorm to be there and testify and weren't given the chance. Edgington says the legislators broke for lunch after the 4th speaker. A reporter from the Wall Street Journal was there to witness the scene and interviewed Edgington.
I don't know if you were aware of this or not, but there are some pretty scary things happening in this building, the State House in Concord, New Hampshire. Fortunately, there is the New Hampshire Liberty Alliance. They're fighting back, but they need your help. They offer free training. They offer courses, ways that you can learn how to be most effective in fighting for liberty inside the State House. Visit nhliberty.org to find out when the next class is. If you take it, you'll be a much more effective voice at stopping these folks from taking away your liberty. nhliberty.org